Tess places $8,000 in a fixed term investment account, which pays 6.5% per annum compounded annually. How much will she have in her account after 3 years? What interest will she have earned over this period? So if we do it each year, the initial money she's got in the account is $8,000. To work out the interest on that $8,000, we're going to do 8,000 times by interest times by the time, and we're going to calculate that. Just bring up my calculator, and we're going to do 8,000 times by 0.065, and she gets $520. So we're going to add that to the original $8,000. And of course, I'm going to write that behind the calculator. I'll fill that in later. So 8520. And now, in the second year, I'm going to start with 8520, 0.065 times by 1. So I'm going to do times 0.065. And this time she's going to earn $553.80. So we're going to add that to our previous value, 8520. And so I write that value there behind where the calculator is at the moment. But I'm going to write it down here, 9073.80. So now I start with 9073.80 times by 0.065 times by 1. So times that by 0.065 equals, now she's earned, for that year, she's earned $589.70. Oh, actually, I'll round up that. So that's going to be decimal 80. So another 80 cents. So if we add 9073 decimal 8 equals Tess, where am I here? Tess will have 9663 decimal 60 in her account. So that's the first part. Second part is working out how much interest. So we can do it two ways. We can either add up all the interest there, or we can do final value take initial value. I'm going to do final value take initial value. So final value present value, or the initial principal. So we've got 9663.60 take away 8,000. So equals, so take away 1,000. This is one of the reasons I like this version, is that I've already got that final value on my calculator, so I don't have to do any extra writing. So she's going to earn 1663.60. So again, just move that out of the way. Tess will earn $1663.60 in interest. Just to complete this, I really should finish off my table here. 520, 9073.80, and this one here will be 9663.60. Couldn't quite write it there because the calculator was in the way.